Morning, dear students. We have studied this chapter 3 questions. Okay, so we will explain you chapter. Okay, carefully pay attention. Okay, and we have up till now studied Kings wants to know answer of 3 questions, but he did not satisfied from anyone them. So he disguised him and went to the nearby forest to meet a hermit. Okay, and he also found hermit digging on the grounds, and hermit was breathed heavily. Okay, and what happened? See now. The king went up the hermits and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important? Okay, and in this paragraph, disguised king asked the hermit 3 questions. Okay, about his 3 questions, and the hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. But the students, hermit did not reply the kings and continue digging. But kings said, give me your spade, I want to dig you in place of you. Okay. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the kings in his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. By giving spade to the king, hermit get relief. Okay, on the ground. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. The hermit gave no answer, but stood up, stretching out his hands for the spade, and said, Now you rest and let me work. After digging 2 beds, king again asked the hermit about 3 questions, but hermit did not reply him, and he asked to give the spade to continue digging. But the king did not give him a spade and continued to dig. Dear students, but king did not give the spade to dig. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for your answer my question. If you can give me no answer, tell me Tell me. 1 hour passed. Okay, sun went down. Distance 1 hour have passed. the kings continued to dig. Okay, and but he did not find any answer. Okay, king said, I will go after finding my questions answer. Here comes someone running. Then what happened? Someone is coming by running. Said hermit. The king turned round and saw a bearded man running towards them. His hands were pressed against his stomach, from which blood was flowing. When he reached the king's, he fainted and fell into the ground. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing and found a large wound in his stomach. The king washed and covered it with his handkerchief, but the blood would not stop flowing. The king redressed the wounds until at last the bleeding stopped. Dear students, in this paragraph, we have seen someone is coming by running, and he had wounds in his stomach, and blood is continuously bleeding. But once, as soon as the runner see the kings, he fell down and got unconsciousness. But kings and hermit clean his wounds and covered the clothes, but blooding was not stopped. But king again dressed the wound if the bleeding stopped. Okay, the man felt better and asked for something to drink. The king brought fresh water and gave it to him. By this time the sun had set and the air was cool. The king, with the hermit's help, carried the wounded man into the hut and laid him on the bed. The man closed his eyes and lay quiet. The king, tired by his walk and the work he had done, lay down on the floor and slept through the night. When he awoke, it was several minutes before he could remember where he was or who was the strange bearded man lying on the bed was. The students, in the night, after giving them fresh water to the bearded man, stranger, both are slept by hard work. And what happens? The stranger asked the king, "Forgive me," said the bearded man in a weak voice when he saw that the king was awake. "I do not know you and have nothing to forgive you for," said the king. "You do not know me, but I know you. I am that enemy of yours who swore revenge on you, because you put my brother to death and seized my property. I knew you had gone alone to see that hermit, and I made up my mind to kill you on your way home. But the day passed and you did not return. So I left my hiding place and I came upon your bodyguard who recognized me and wounded me. I escaped from him, but I should have died if you had not dressed my wounds. I wished to kill you, and you have saved my life. Now, if I live, I will serve you as your most faithful servant, and will order my sons to do the same. Forgive me. Dear students, in this paragraph, we have understood the story, but someone's enemy of the king had come to kill kings, but on the course of time, his god disguise recognized him and wounded him, so he ran to escape his life, and king found him and saved his life, and he forgave to the kings for his guilty, and he oath to serve him and also his sons. Okay, in this way, dear friends, we have understood that, and I feel you have understood the paragraph. If you will be any difficulty, you can contact me without any hesitations. Okay, till then, thank you. Have a nice day.